everybody, Mike Searles again, founder of Thin Air Brands and creator of the Nature Bound line of toys for kids. Today we want to show you a really cool toy. We call it the Bug Net. The Bug Net is really nice. It has a great nylon net inside. It's very durable and flexible. It has a floatable handle, so if you drop it off the boat or in the river, it's not going to go away from you. And the handle is removable, so that if you're going on family vacation, you can pack this inside of a small suitcase. Kids can take it with them. Really quality, has a wood grain look on the handle and here. And best of all, it works for butterflies. It's gentle enough for a butterfly, but it's durable enough for lizards and frogs and fish, things of that type. So go pick one up. It's the Nature Bound Bug Net.